Hi, it's Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz in front of the Rath Building to talk about infrastructure and investments from the federal government. I'm joined by our great Congressman Brian Higgins, who represents the 26th Congressional District of New York, which of course includes a good portion of Erie County. Congressman Higgins has been working very hard to ensure that the necessary resources that we need here in Erie County are brought home. He did that with the American Rescue Plan, in which we're putting that right to work with our Great Renew Plan to get $150 million of projects off the drawing table and to be built in our community. And he's just done the same with an important vote to help pass the $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill at the federal government, which I know is going to have a tremendous impact on roads, rail, water, sewer, all kinds of infrastructure. So on behalf of the people of Erie County, I want to thank Congressman Higgins for his great support for all these important projects, and also turn it over to him to tell you a little bit more about what this means for Erie County and Western New York. So thank you, Congressman.
Thank you very much, Mark, and thank you for your leadership over the past 20 months. This community looked to you for clear guidance as it relates to COVID, and you did an outstanding job along with your health commissioner in helping the people of Erie County get through this. It's not over yet, but we're in a better place than we were throughout this pandemic, and the federal government wanted to respond to help you with a lot of the costs that were incurred in your leadership in helping to guide this community for the past 20 months. Additionally, there was a loss of revenue because the economy shut down because of social distancing and just trying to keep people safe. And the consequence was an economy that was collapsing nationally and regionally. And the American Rescue Plan was designed to provide relief to counties. You mentioned $150 million in use. You have a great vision for the use of that, which is entirely consistent as to why that plan was established in the first place. And I know with a $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill, I know your wish list. I read it in the Washington Post. Mark is always ready to go, which is a welcomed sign, because too oftentimes these opportunities are passed over, and that's not Mark Poloncarz. Mark Poloncarz has a vision for this county, for the people of this community, to keep them safe, to keep them successful, and also to make our economy run as efficiently as possible with investments, strategic investments into the infrastructure and the quality of life of this community. As a user of Chestnut Ridge Park, you see all of the improvements occurring there to make that park a great park even better. And Mark's plan for both the American Rescue Plan and an infrastructure bill is in keeping with the wishes of people from this community. So Mark, congratulations for your leadership and your friendship.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. On behalf of the National Association of Counties and my county colleagues across the United States, I just want to thank you for your vote on the infrastructure bill. It is going to make a tremendous impact, not just in Erie County, but counties nationwide. And this is what we send people to do in Washington, to actually represent us and deliver so that we can move our communities forward. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome.